Chad. Ooh, audio. Kicks. Wait, don't. Just chat very softly. Chad, wait, there's, I don't know what is up with the sound desk.
What's going on now?
Just go very softly. 1 2 1 2. Ooh.
Right.
I think Mo might have done something on the back end. 1 2 1 2. Chad, how's that audio? Audio good? Give me a 1 2 there, Keegs.
1 2 1 2. Am I still going to be talking soft?
No. You can talk now.
Okay.
Give us a little bit of oomph there. Give us a little bit of.
1 2 1 2.
Oh damn, Chad, how's the audio? Yeah, something's definitely. Maybe bring me down a little bit. 1 2 1 2. Chad, how's that? 1 2. Audio good. We want it crisp. We want to make sure. Keegs, chat to me how you'll chat to me normally.
What's up, brother?
Is that you?
Yeah, that's me, bro.
No, it can't be. Is that all of it? Give me a little bit.
Any bit more, bro. I feel like I'm yelling into the mic.
No. I could just chat to me normally.
Okay. I'm chatting here. 1 2 1 2. Feeling a little bit aggressive here today. Might take some frisky entries.
Let's just make a big note to sort out the sound desk. Something's off here, Chad. But we are here. How's everyone doing? Hope you didn't short gold yesterday. We did give you guys some clear indication. A lot of Chad, I told you guys I've seen this movie, and that movie ends in tears when people try to short it. But Chad, anyways, listen here, I hope you guys are ready. We're going to have an awesome day here. Hope you guys are locked in for the session. We are preparing for the 24-hour stream tomorrow. So if Keegan's jumping in and out the desk, all of that's coming. So quite a bit of preparation today to get everything set for the 24-hour stream. And I think before we start, as always, we're going to do our prayer. And the prayer is very simple. And the prayer goes like this. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory. And everyone that believes that just gives me a very straightforward amen. Amen. Keegan.
Amen, bro.
Thank you, bro. Yes, I was holding my breath there, but luckily it came through. Chad, anyways, let's get straight into it. Audio good? Just let me know, is the audio good? Everyone's saying the audio sounds perfect on my side. Beautiful. Alrighty, Chad. Economic calendar. Here. Righty. There we go. Beautiful. Right, okay. Anyway. Quite a bit of GBP data coming out this morning, and looking somewhat softer. CPI coming out a little bit weaker than expected on the month-on-month reading. Year-on-year coming out flat. Also, year-on-year core CPI coming out flat as well. So that's some positive signs there. PPI, weird that they just throw you with everything one shot. It's like, we're going to throw you a CPI. But that's not enough. We're going to throw in PPI as well for free. We're not even going to charge for PPI. We just chuck it in there. Keys, look at this.
So you're just going to get it for free as well, bro.
Bro, imagine the US does that. I think it's just too much volume that will go into the markets. CPI at 11. That's also going to be a big one for the ECB Eurozone. Beautiful. Building permits a little bit later. Housing starts. That's also a big one. Remember what caused the crash in 2007, 2008, the housing market. So housing market still relevant to this day. If you think about it, that's where most of the guys speculate. Think of Grant Cardone, the Mr. Cashflow himself. Property, everything is property. Everything is leverage, gearing, debt into property. But anyways, that's something we'll chat about again, maybe even tomorrow, gearing, debt. But Chad, that's a session. That's what we've got on deck here today. Now the thing is, let's get into the charts. let's see what is happening here on the charts. Alrighty, Project G members, please go and check, if you have not done so, go and check Sunday's analysis, playing out to the T. Beautiful. There's that pullback. Today I'm bearish, very simply put. Chris, why can you be bearish on the dollar? Very simple. From a technical perspective, we said we want to come and test this key level up here, which we did. Also then from a technical perspective, we've broken yesterday's low. So as long as we stay below yesterday's low, things are looking bearish. 4-hour time frame, very quickly here. There's the weekly pivot. Tested twice, a young double test, double top, whatever you want to call it. I just call it a rejection. And yesterday's low, we are currently trading at that low. Sorry, chat, just one of my eyes itching a little bit. Oh, this feels so good. Damn. Sorry, Kiggs, it's like literally.
All good, bro. Man, it's going through the most, yeah.
Yeah, that eye itch.
I'm gonna be back, brother. I was just
yeah. Okay, perfect. Very good timing. Let me know when you guys have done carrying all the heavy stuff, and then I'll come out. All right, chat. So very simply put here for me, dollar. If we are going to continue bearish today, this zone here, I want to see us stay below this zone. We can maybe come in. I've seen the dollar do this. I've seen the dollar come into the zone, do somewhat of a, I don't even want to say fake out. It's just a deeper pullback and then die off a little bit later. But ideally, to keep things very simple, straightforward, this zone here, if we can stay below that zone, more than happy to continue with the short idea on the dollar. US 30. US 30 daily, as mentioned, we are still very bullish. We cannot sell into something that is bullish and look at yesterday's candle. However, I am expecting somewhat of an inside day today because blueprint, Project G members know the blueprint. Very simply put, principle 4, markets alternate between range expansion and range contraction. Principle 1, a trend has a higher probability of continuation than reversal. But however, you can see how small the daily candles were and then a massive expansion. So do expect some type of a consolidative hold here, but still bullish nonetheless. All right. 4-hour time frame just blasted away from the weekly pivot. Didn't even get a chance to test it. 5-minute time frame. What do we have here? Let's quickly check the 5. Weekly R2. Yesterday holding above that weekly R2 and now slicing through it. 80 is still very bullish, Chad. 80 is still very bullish. Yo, look at that yesterday. Jeez Louise. Damn, okay. Yesterday I think we did have the EQ was here somewhere. I know Fubs was mentioning the EQ. Daily R2 up here, Asia lows there, sliced clean through it. So I almost want to say, yeah, it's not even that big of a range, but anything below here, Chad, this is your sell zone to potentially come back to the daily pivot and maybe the EQ. I don't know. Let's just see. 0.8355. I don't know if we go back that deep, but anyways, a pullback would be healthy. Even a 50% retrace, which is here of yesterday's massive candle. I saw on Instagram some of the guys saying, yo, why is US 30 rallying and this and that, and anyways, no comment. All right, but yeah, Chad, there's the zone that we're monitoring. Nasdaq daily. Let's look at the daily now. Nasdaq is weird because we're still in this range. Yesterday closing bearish, taking out a previous daily low. Today, taking out yesterday's low. So I'm going to be neutral, all right? And the reason I'm neutral is two-part. There's two parts to me being neutral. Is because we're still within this range hold. So we're still within this range. We have yet to break a support. So we've pushed up, we've pulled back, we've created this intermediate support, we've pushed up again, but we haven't broken below here. Also, yesterday's low being taken out and the previous low being taken out, if you look at this, that daily low being taken out and this one. So if we cannot get back above yesterday's low, this thing is most likely going to close like this today, bearish, and that makes it easy for the rest of the week. 4 hour time frame, what do we have? Weekly pivot, massive rejections there, once, twice, 3 times, and it's coming down. So very interesting here. That is the previous daily low that I mentioned, and very easy going into the session is monitor this level here, the previous daily low, and then also monitor this daily zone that I've marked out. So maybe even you can take it down to the daily S2, 20,200, but ultimately this is your first zone you want to monitor, and then we'll take it from there. Let's just see, because this is where things are going to happen. Previous daily low. All right. Gold. Okay. Gold. All right. So start of the week, we talked about this is going to be the range for the week. We're going to get a weekly breakout either below or above. My outlook was always going to be bullish. Why? Because look at last week's weekly candle, and as soon as we start breaking a previous weekly high, a lot of volume is going to come in. And then also, I don't know who was on stream yesterday, I told you guys, and I actually compared US 30. So remember what I said yesterday, just screenshot this quickly for yourself. Just take a mental snip of that and then just come here quickly. And what did I say? I was expecting this, what happened here, I was expecting that exact same move here on gold. And some of you caught some beautiful moves here. I can show you the messages where you guys shared it with me. But the daily for me, I'm going to go neutral to bull still, just purely due to the fact that it is a massive expansion. And if you look at the size of that daily candle, we can pull back, or we can even range here for a couple of days and still be bullish. All right. Like I said, don't overthink gold when you trade it. Don't overthink it. Take it day by day. No need to rush anything. We're currently at the monthly R3. We talked about the monthly R2 yesterday, saying if we can hold above it, we can push to the monthly R3. Now we've pushed to the monthly R3. Now I want to potentially see us come and retest that all-time high breakout level. If I go on the 5, I can still see the 80 is super bullish. When I go to Asia range, there's that 200 chat. So I don't know how much more I need to say on the 200, but maybe some of you have been taking notes. There's the 200 again yesterday. There's the 200. Anyways, chat, you get it. 5 minute 200 EMA. Alrighty. So what do we do here today? Asia lows are now taken. We've got the weekly R2 up here, previous daily highs. So two zones that I want to monitor is this zone here and this zone right here. These two zones I want to monitor. I want to see what we do at those zones, and just clean that up. And then the grid, sorry chat, this thing busted. I had to do new grids here, so I just want to get some grids nicely placed here. Just quickly copy and paste it here this morning. Just give me a second here. There's the daily flip as well. Interesting. I don't think gold is done yet, but yeah, I've also seen gold do very aggressive pullbacks. So don't get overconfident or overzealous on the buys. Alright, chat. So just keep calm, keep a level head. It's been a good week so far. No need to. Okay, going back to the grid. Beautiful. So ideally, I would say if we can do something from here, grab some buys here, and then this daily flip can be a target, get some nice volume coming in there, and then also, why is this thing doing this to me? Give me 1 second, chat. I just want to get my indicator on here. Yeah, Project G members, front shows coming in today. We're doing just the final changes on the final changes for the indicator, so that indicator will be ready before Friday, and then we're gonna send it out to all the Project G members. You will get access to the all-in-one indicator. Give me 1 second here. Extend. We'll just do this quickly. There we go. All right, there's that weekly R2, that previous daily high. Okay, so a lot of things happening there. If we don't get the trade from here a little bit now in a couple of minutes, definitely looking at doing something here. All right, chat. So that is the analysis. I just wanna change this real quick for us. The colors. The 200 we go with a nice blue. The 100 I think we went with a nice purple. Gonna do a nice green there. And yeah, we're gonna do a nice we can keep it red. Alrighty, chat. Let's quickly read into fundamental gang here. We've got 6 minutes to go. Slushy cakes, Japanese yen loses ground as the US dollar remains stable amid improved treasury yields. The JPI could limit its downside as traders expect intervention by authorities. BOJ data show that authorities entered the forex market on consecutive trading days last Thursday and Friday. Slushy, thank you so much for that. Dylan Savage, investors ride the Trump trade as expectations grow for a second term. Japanese yen steadies amid intervention speculation. Thank you so much, Dylan. And then Bevan, gold price hits record highs, rate cut bets grow, but hangs near daily low after intraday rally. UK CPI expected to hold BOE 2% target. GU consolidation has 1 year top. EU appreciates to near 1.0900. Bitcoin rises to 63k on prospect of Trump presidency. That's the stupidest shit I've heard in my life, chat. Do apologize for the word shit, but Bitcoin, anyways, chat, that's just people that journalists. Elon Musk to contribute 45 million per month to pro-Trump super PAC. Dow delivers best day in more than a year on stronger earnings. Asian stocks dip. Hang Seng closed flat on the day, Chad. Nikkei closing down 0.43. I'm expecting a flat day on the JSE. Let's just see. Yeah, I'm not going to place a trade on the JSE today. But yeah, we'll chat about that now as well. I just want to bust through all of the comments here. 4 minutes. In other news, Trump's trade advisors are considering policies that would weaken the dollar, which would juice exports and fuel inflation. Will a Goldilocks economy keep the stock market humming? In other news, Red Bull SA stocks boost after PE trading Chris market. Chris Marketbull and Keegs $ Van Dijk empty local shelves of Red Bull in preparation for a 24-hour stream. Will Kawhi be next? Hey, Bev, beautiful, beautiful. Chad, good morning, good morning. Yeah, big shout out to Red Bull. Red Bull is one of the sponsors now of 2G's Trading. Nothing spectacular. So don't think, not yet though. But we do have a little sponsorship, or not even sponsorship. Maybe just a little endorsement deal. They're setting us up with a nice fridge for the studio, some lights, some merch. They're gonna keep our fridge stocked with Red Bull. So no monetary gain in the sense of they're spending money, bro. It's like they giving us a nice fridge, all of that. But so big shout out to Red Bull and Keegan. It's actually one of Keegan's connects. So when I actually meet the dude, I think tomorrow or in the week, I'll get his name. But big shout out to him as well. One of the marketing gents from Red Bull. So, but Chad, we've got 2 minutes. Beautiful. What did I miss here? Big things coming. Ethan, always. We try and I always say that just good old traditional hard work will never go unrewarded. I don't want to say punished, but anyways. Show the Red Bull guys the lights you want. Hey, Andre, we must. Oh my dude, Chad. No. Chad. Bev, why did Bev block my brother RP blog? That is spam. Where did he spam? After a long time, bro. Professional song. Me. Hello, brother. How are you? Professional song is back. But don't spam. Pro song, Chad. That one is for you, my brother. Hey, I just removed the comment. Damn, bro. Awesome. Chad, Pro Song is back. Pro Song, we've been worried about you, my brother. We were worried about you, but I'm glad you're back and you're safe here with us. Chad, 45 seconds, then we'll open up here. Let me just see. Chris, what do you use the other EMAs for? Callan, it's more just for vibes, the other EMAs. It's just for vibes. It's just one just seems lonely. I just look better when I've got 4. Then I really clutter the chart and people think like, damn, this oak is quite intellectually on another level. So it's purely vibes. Just for the vibes. Good morning. Kaylin, Rian, Rax, Etienne. Hello, Chris. That you took longs gold yesterday. Maria, that took gold longs yesterday. Correct. Who's ready for 24-hour madness? Chris, unrelated, but what you don't have an opinion on XRP, brother. I don't. I caught that move up. Thanks, Chris. Ricardo, beautiful. Richard Channing. Ja nee, Chris, spot on gister, my friend. Alrighty, Chad. Markets are open and in motion. It's going to be an incredible day. Pro Song, the prodigal son. It doesn't seem he wants a recovery signal. Maybe he's been following it silently and he actually made a bag yesterday. But this is for the open and for our brother Pro Song. If you don't know who Pro Song is, you haven't been around. But I'm going to let Keegan know now that Pro Song is kicking alive and well. But let's go, Chad. Alrighty, markets are open and in motion. Okay, cool, makes sense. I can relate. Thanks, Chris. No, Callan, I'm joking. The other ones I use is purely for divergence. So A lot of times you'll see that the moving averages start to converge closer to one another and almost compress. So you almost get this flip where it goes from bearish to bullish. So that's purely more a visible. Oh, incredible! Thank you so much. So it's more just a case of you do use them, but it's more a visual indicator as well. So the idea is the more they fan, the more extended price is, and then also when they compress here, this is also considered almost like let's call it a changeover zone. So there are some technical terms of how you can go about it, but yeah, so it's not just. I was joking when I say it's just for vibes. No, there's actually some merit to what we have for. But yeah, chat. Good to be here today. Hope you guys are feeling alright. Hope you guys have had a good week so far. The analysis has been on point, just incredible. And then also a lot of you really taking the information we share here and executing on it. So got a lot of good feedback today. Those gold longs, those buy stops where I told you guys 30 pip stop, and I said easily can go to the daily R2. Go and watch yesterday's stream somewhere here. 30 pip stop there, and you could have, there you go, nice 1 to 3 R, and then yeah, we're gonna get something here today as well. Things are looking up here, on the up. JSE gapping down somewhat. Let me just check that futures account. Righty. $12 from 8:30, and then another 12 hours from when that ends. I have a lonely 20 EMA. Maybe you must give him a friend. If I added 200 feel it's going to be a long distance friendship. Nice one, Nila. Love it. Love it. Good morning. Please clarify tomorrow morning, Thursday, the 2G's trading will be live streaming from 8:30 to Friday. Yes, correct. Lily, 24 hours straight, but it's just going to be divided by 2 actual streaming links, because YouTube deletes your recording after 12 hours. So we want to make sure that the 24-hour stream lives on the internet for as long as possible. So we're going to share 2 links a little bit later today. Link 1 will be the first, part 1 is the first 12 hours, and part 2. So we will most probably, if we start at 8:30, just before 8:30 tomorrow night, we're going to transition over to part 2, and part 2 will carry us home into Friday morning. So yeah, it is going to be lacquer. It's going to be, I don't even want to say tough, Chad. Like when I chatted to my wife last night, I said, you know what is tough? Tough is Jesus hanging on a cross. I don't want to be that guy, but tough is the guy living in the Middle East in a war zone, not having food, not having water. Tough is the child being raised in a war zone. Tough is a lot of things, but not streaming for 24 hours. That is not tough. Our mentality, if we say, oh, it's so tough sitting comfortably here in an air-conditioned room with a nice warm cup of coffee, then we dilute it. So that was very David Goggins of me to say something like that, but honestly, that is not tough. So we need to be very clear on what is tough and what is not tough. Yeah, Keegs is just quickly helping with the new desks. You guys will see it tomorrow morning. Incredible. A lot of effort has gone into this 24-hour stream. And also the studio. A lot of effort has gone into the studio to really up our game when it comes to what we want to produce. So, yeah. 009.5. What's up, my brother? I've been in a GJ trade since London session yesterday after being in the trade for about 16 hours. Basically just consolidated around my entry. It's moving nicely today so far. Patience pays. Callan, personally, if a trade took 16 hours to start moving, I'll wait 30 minutes. And if it consolidates more than 30 minutes, I'm out. But yeah, just go back, go check on your data collection. Yeah, consolidating trades usually come to bite you in the ass. Motive up, amen to that. Yes. Got you, my G, no problem. Tough is wearing 2 onderbroeke van 'n coat in Pretoria. Riche, Tough is wearing 2 kortbroeke, not onderbroeke, van 'n coat in Pretoria. Don't live in delusion. 100%. That's facts. Most people have life way easier. Bro, we don't know what is hard. We don't know what is hard. Love it, Chrissa. Eti. ASML down 5%. I wonder what NAS 100. What is ASML? It sounds like it sounds rough. ASML. Chris got the mentality. Jared, 100%, my brother. 100% mindset. Something I do want to start doing. Maybe next week. I just want to plan it out. Is a lot to do with the mind, and I don't want to chat. I'm not that weird spiritual superstitious, like, oh, we manifest and we vibrating, and if that's you, that's fine. I'm nothing against you, but just in terms of general mindset, in terms of I don't want to, not confession. What did I call it? Oh man. Flip now, obviously when I want to talk about it, but not even manifestation, man. What am I talking here? Chad, I want to tell you now, but it's something I want us to. I'm gonna do one that all of us can do. Affirmations. Apologies, Chad. Affirmations I want to start doing next week. I want to try and keep it short, but I think a lot of and I say you, and I'm talking just in general, even and remember what I said always. When I say you, I'm mostly talking to myself, so don't think anything that I'm doing is just like, oh, you. No, it's me. I'm human as well. I struggle with exactly the same things as all of you. But for instance, affirmations is something that I want to start doing, because once we start speaking it, once you start hearing it, your mindset changes, your entire feeling changes. And sometimes you'll say this and you won't feel great, and that's fine. But then at one stage you're like, okay, let me believe this. So for instance, my affirmations for 2024, very, very short and sweet, and to some extent I did stop reading it because you become so busy, but I had this thing every morning where I would say, Jesus Christ is my Lord and Savior, and He will provide my every need and protect me from the enemy. I'm blessed beyond measure, and my cup overflows into others' cup. I'm a strong leader, and I lead by example. I excel in everything I put my hand to. I lack for nothing. I am disciplined, and I execute on my plans. I am a patient and loving husband and father. I set the example for my family. I am rich, successful, and wealthy. Money flows to me. Success finds me, and wealth I have inherited. I don't let situations determine my mood, but I let go of anything that is holding me down. Short and simple and sweet. And every morning I would read that and I would ponder on that. And it's a case of, all right, now do you believe that? And I promise you, if you keep doing that every single day, at one stage you're going to start believing it. Your subconscious mind is going to start telling you you lack for nothing. All right. So we might just pop that in with the prayer. I hope you guys are fine with it. We'll maybe even just start the streams 3 minutes beforehand. So if you are like some of that people in church that you come after the praise and worship because you don't like to sing, that's also fine. That is also fine if you at least get the gist of it. But yeah, I want to start bringing that. And again, the reason I want to bring it in was I was thinking about why do I want to compress my mornings from 6 o'clock to before stream. And it's a case of why not do that with other people? Like instead of now trying to rush it before stream, like just do it on stream with everyone else. Maybe there's one person that needs it every single day, just needs to hear that. So yeah, we're gonna bring that on from next week. And so yeah, start writing down your affirmations, and we'll start doing that from next week. Love that, Chris. My affirmation for this week is I do not chase, I attack. So every time when I try to jump into a trade, when I get FOMO, I say I do not chase, I attacked. Yes, some of the brothers needs to be their affirmation. Stop chasing girls, but attack your future. Right. It's a statement of the existence or truth of something or assertion. Affirmations should be backed by action. Yes, Neela, 100%. 100%. Neela, but also a lot of times affirmations will initiate action. Because sometimes we sit and we don't do anything because we feel we lack the ability, we lack the knowledge, we lack the substance to do it. So I think it's Neela, I think it's almost the egg. Which came first, egg or the chicken? Sometimes you just need that little bit. That affirmation is maybe that little spark that just ignites like a little fire, and then things can keep moving from there. I don't believe in affirmation as it affirms you are not that. A beautiful person doesn't call themselves beautiful every day. They just know. Michael, that's just weird saying that affirmation is not about. Here's the thing, don't. Let me not get too deep here. There's obviously spiritual things and there's obviously bodily things. Like I'm born the way. I can't say, oh, I'm so tiny and small and I'm so cute and petite. No, if you get to that level. Anyways, but okay, Michael, beautiful. Don't believe in it. I wouldn't if I was you. All right, Chad. Let's check here. Okay, please. Yeah, I know you guys are going to be naughty here, and I am actually waiting for a structure break here. I'm waiting for a structure break here. What did the 15 close like? What did the 15... Okay, the 15 took that. Chad, I'm going to go with the very, very aggressive buyer. Not above this high here. Let me just see what the difference is. Chad, I don't want to miss it. Okay, I'm going with the bar stop, Chad. Bar stop above right here. The bar stop is there, not active yet. Yeah, The stop loss, I'm going to say we're going to go with, look at, why does 32 feel like nothing? Did I miss anything? 65, 70, no I didn't. Alright chat, buy stops, I'm thinking, the previous daily high. Oh, chat, I almost wanna. I feel like 24.75 is not even unreasonable here. Okay, chat, I'm activated. Believe it or not. I'm activated 24.67.42. Okay, let me just set my stop loss quickly. Okay, damn. 32 feels like nothing here. Almost need to go 35 here, but let's keep it at 32. So the stop is literally here. Wait. Let's not go on the candle. Stop loss is 24.64.21. There we go. That's where the stop is. Yeah, I'm looking at this. We've held the 24.65. That's the zone that I want to hold. I like the fact that this previous 5 minute took that low, closed like almost a bullish engulfing. The idea would be is as we break this high to continue higher. There's that daily flip zone. Okay. We haven't really tested the daily flip zone as of yet after breaking below it. So this is most probably where I'm going to go break even once we start breaking above. And in terms of this trade, as long as we stay above this level here, we are solid. All right. What is DXY doing? All right, chat. So there we go. If you take action, you get evidence. That's what you say you do. True Chris read a piece in the diary of the CEO that said, we believe the evidence we got. And if you say that you follow your plan without doing it, sooner or later, it will remain untrue. Yes. You can make a affirmation voice clip with the prayer and play it on stream. When it plays, everyone who wants can say it out loud. And also add a soundtrack to it. Now, Ronnie, I want to do it live every day. Because I wanna speak it every single day. I wanna hear it, and I wanna do it. The action of doing it every single day. When you read it, I was like, "What did I write?" Sounds like a mindset reset session. I love it. All right, chat. Nice little rejection candle there. Can this next candle pump and drive? This 15 minute as well, taking the previous 15 minute low, barely closing above there. A little nipple there, a little nip and tip, a little nip and tuck. So let's see, can we get that drive here this morning? Can we get the drive? Okay. Okay, there you go, NASDAQ area to monitor. Times that date, okay, only 11. That's still some time away. Chad, in terms of managing risk on this trade, there's not gonna, we won't be able to manage risk purely due to the fact that the validation point for this trade is this level here. So if price comes down and actually closes below here, just take the stop. That is if. But as long as we hold above 24.65, this trade is perfectly valid for the longs. Perfectly valid. So no stress there. We took Asia lows, beautiful. We've held the 200 EMA beautifully. The 80 is still firmly showing me that the bulls are in the building. So yeah, I don't have any issue with this trade, and now it's just a matter of getting that volume push for us to now start managing the trade. The daily flip zone here, this is where I do feel we could get a nice little injection of volume. And then as soon as we get that injection of volume, this is going to be the next battle area. Previous daily high. That is where we're going to need to see how confident the bulls are in this move up yesterday. And whether the bears actually want to fight back against the bulls. The gold bulls went full Cameron Haynes on the bears. If you don't know who Cameron Haynes is, I would question a lot of things. Chris, what's your opinion on chart patterns such as head and shoulders pattern, double tops, double bottoms? Callan, I don't really have an opinion on it. If you break it down, the only thing a chart pattern really is, it's just price holding a level. But what we've done is we've created this just this additional tail to the pattern. For instance, I can now say this is a declining symmetrical wedge, wedge pattern, something like this. But all it really is price is just holding this level here. But now we just add this big previous piece of price data now to almost now make it expanding wedge or declining wedge pattern into a bullish triangle or whatever. So I think if you just break it down to first principle, there's no need to do those shoulder patterns or whatever, wedge patterns, flag patterns, symmetrical triangles, all of that. Oh damn, Ben T-Pa has been in drawdown for a minute, but we got to trust the strat. Okay, Lesejo and Simone, good morning. The trades I missed a week because of the maintenance on indices is going to haunt me for the rest of the month. Shy, the trades you missed might have saved you from drawdown. So if you can see it and you can hear it, you have the courage enough to speak it, trust it will happen. Correct. Amen. Every 30-minute close, same as 5 minutes. If you take action, okay. Levels plus STC, best strategy. 24.74, het ook nie 'n topweek nie. Ek kan moontlik daai topweek gaan haal vandag. Callan, so don't overcomplicate it, brother. The market is just purely levels. We just add all of this previous price data to almost, I want to say, reaffirm the idea. I've shown this on stream as well. If you consider a head and shoulders pattern, is purely price going back into a range. So if you consider that there was a support there at that bottom, at the neck area, there was maybe a resistance there. This high there was maybe, if you looked left somewhere, that was maybe a high that failed to break through. So now you almost want to confirm using the head and shoulders now, and you draw this, where I will look into the session and say, damn, I'm actually bearish for the day. This is the pullback. If we reject this level, we can come and retest this level. If we break through that level, we can go to the next level, wherever. So just take it level for level. All right, Chad. Gold doing a number here on us. Let's see. Can we hold this 24.65 retest? Let me just check 15. If we've broken the previous 15 low, we are somewhat in trouble here, Chad. Yeah, 2 minutes. What is your faith in the 2 minutes? Yeah, Chad. So here's the thing. As mentioned, we cannot really manage risk here. If this closes below here, we literally have 5 pips. Okay. And I'm not gonna kill the trade for 5 pips, to save 5 pips. So I'm fully committed for a full risk trade here. Okay. What is DXY doing? DXY is holding session lows. US 30 200. Nice little bounce off the 200 there. Nasdaq at that zone. All right. So we just need to hold 24.65. And we're good. For sure makes sense. Since I've been getting into trading, I see how many simple concepts in trading have multiple different names. Most things just come back to support. Yes, Callan, 100%. Support and resistance. Copy trading. Shy, copy trading where? What do you want to copy trade? Yo, she sniffed my stop loss and now going my way. Yo, gold is playing with us. I'm rooting for y'all too, but I'm in the opposite trade. Okay, Benty Paz. At least somebody will win here today. Somebody will win here today. So if you took the sell here when I took the buy, at least somebody will be a winner. Yeah, Chad, DXY, just crumbling from that level there. Gold doing gold things. Let's see how the 30 is gonna close. Yeah, one thing I can note, however, is the 30 closing now. This 30-minute, if you look at it, this is still a structure break on the 30-minute. There's that structure low. We did break that. And even if you go on a line chart, you can see that we are still printing bearish order flow here. So there you can see we're still printing bearish order flow. Question is, do we go for one last push up before we get a pullback? But also considering, remember on Sunday, Project G guys, remember what I said about this week, where you can get the entire week to just run away from traders, where traders just expect like this massive pullback, and you just don't get it. and I'll actually make that analysis public at the end of the week, where all of this we discussed all of this, and you can go into that plan and you'll see that the plan was never to try and sell gold. I told the guys, like, this is not the week to try and sell gold. Why? Go back to 2016, go back to that era when we started breaking all-time highs on gold, and I've seen this. And I was the guy paying school fees on the other end, trying to short this. So that's why I've learned the lessons. I've paid the school fees, and you guys are fortunate enough to stand on my shoulder when it comes to that. Do not make the same mistakes as I did. Yeah, sure, you can do that. Felt a little risky, scaled in. No, I won't. Is it? Yeah.
It's done. I'll show you after.
Okay.
Huh?
Oh, yeah. Just let it warm up before you rev it. Yeah, just check, Keeks, when you press the car status, just check the oil temp, not the temp there.
Okay.
Yeah, the oil temp just needs to be 100 degrees. Previous 1 hour looks nice to go up. No, Risha, you sound like somebody with opium here. Previous, I'm kidding. Alright, Chad. Let's see. Daily flip zone. That is where I would love us just to tap into that zone, because if we can tap that daily flip zone, then price can make a decision there. If price can tap that daily flip zone and then at least show us that it wants to reject, because here was a clean break below, but we haven't tested it though. So if it's going to go down, it will tap in here and it will reject. And once we tap in there, I'm going to break even. Like, because we shouldn't hold. If we're going to go bullish, we shouldn't reject there. And then even if we come into some type of a weird range inside here, we still can take a trade from here. That's the thing. There's no need to have FOMO. There's a lot of levels we can trade from. If we miss it here, we take it from there. There's a lot of levels. I obviously want to get it as close as possible to Asia lows, because I want to try and get a nice little extended move here today. That is the idea here, is to get a nice, not even a runner, just a little something here. Hey Ben, sorry my brother. Nothing wrong with the stop loss, my brother. Okay, Chad. No bottom wick here. But anyways, I'm going to go break even on this trade. So I'm going break even. The only thing I don't like with the no bottom wick is we can come down, create a bottom wick, and then punch through again. But yeah, we already sat through that drawdown. Let's see. Daily flip zone, lottering. You just go on a daily chart, my brother. Go on a daily chart and check where the daily candle opened. That is your daily open there. There's your daily open for the current candle, and that is your flip zone. Oh, the boys revving my car now outside here. Sheesh. Okay, chat. So we break even. There's no risk on this trade. Yes, it would be stunning if we can bust through here. It would be absolutely beautiful if we can just, there goes the dollar. Come on, gold, do that thing that you do for us. Get good here for the boys, Chat, on the one end, I want to actually lock it in here, and I'm going to look for re-entries. I just don't want to give away anything here today. I don't want to give back like last week. Last week I think I left like 70 pips on the table. So not today. I'm gonna take profit here. All right, and I'm gonna look for re-entries. I'm gonna bang it there. That's a nice almost 1%, and then I'm gonna look for re-entries here. So we lock it in, we bag our 1%, and we're gonna look for re-entries there. All right, let's play the odds here. Okay, firstly we need to hold above this daily flip zone before we do anything. Come on, gold, go for it. Do it. Go, push, go. Ah, there. What are you doing? Chat. Go. Ah. Chat, I'm locking it in. I locked it in there. Sorry, if you wanna. Okay. Maybe like it will push, but I'm not gonna go like last week where the trade was literally 4 pips away from take profit. I locked it in there. Beautiful. Okay, so I officially brought back my FTMO account back from the dead year. Because remember those 2 days worth of beautiful trades I didn't take. So this has been a grind, Chad. This has been a grind. But anyways, we are now officially back in the black. That feels good. That feels beautiful. Let me see. Let me see if I can do a report for you guys. Yeah, Chad, we're gonna wait. I'm gonna lock it in. We're gonna take it level by level here. No need to, because this is an awkward zone. So once we get above here, we'll go again. So don't stress. You're not gonna miss anything. We just wanna make those little runs count. Let me just see. Beautiful, Chad. Beautiful. I just want to quickly check here. Yeah, Chad, the reason I locked it in the previous daily high, because why risk it? We technically trade from grid to grid. Shut my brother. We technically trade from grid to grid, so why would I risk leaving all of this on the table?
Did you hit TP?
Yeah.
I know you were in the trade.
TP
Carl took it.
I did take it. I hope he closed though, because okay, but there it's going now. Jeez.
He's holding for 2R.
Okay.
He just showed me it and asked me my thoughts on it. So I said, if anything, just go break even.
Yeah.
But if you want to, then hold for the 2R.
No, so what I told him now was, let me just get Keegs back here. What I told. So I took it here. And I said, I actually do think 24.75 easy, but I said, why this daily flip zone and this weekly R2 and the previous daily high, this zone here is just a massive zone to get through. So I said, I'm not going to risk it because I'm now basically back break even on my account.
Bro, the podcast room or the studio is mad.
I want to go check now.
It is, bro. I need to, guys. So you just don't understand. So I saw what the finished product of the studio was looking like, some of the desks and that, last night. And I've been sending Chris all the updates, and I was like, nah, I'm not sending this to him. I need to see when he sees the finished product. It is insane, guys.
All right, chat. So this is not the greatest stats. Obviously, like I said, 3 days of almost 4% wasn't taken on this account. But there you can see average profit, the expectancy, the average loss, the average RR, almost 2R, and the profit factor obviously being now 1.01 because I've only got the account back to break even now. But yeah, I'm not done, chat. I'm actually looking here, this zone here. This is my next trade. So we on the scoreboard here.
You already done the influencer thing?
No, I haven't even done that. I was thinking I'm not gonna do it because we're gonna have 2 wins here today. So I don't know if you wanna do your analysis quickly or you get settled in. I'm gonna throw so long on your screen the studio myself, Chad. But yeah, you know that zone.
Bro, I wanna see your reaction to it though. Chad, I promise you we'll be back now. You have 2 marks in trading.
2 marks trading. There's nothing in it.
That's gonna be insane. All right, guys. Yeah. Before I get into my analysis so far, I know obviously you guys are all watching the gold trade. That thing's still climbing. Chris, thoughts so far, bro?
I'm gonna have to show them a little snippet. Gonna have to. No, bro. It honestly looks
That's insane.
mental.
It's literally dreams come true. What we're busy building right now.
I think in our head this is what we were expecting, but to now see it in the studio. Chad, I'm gonna show you a photo now. Give me 1 second. Look at gold. Oh my flip. Who's still holding? Am I bleak I didn't hold? Absolutely not.
24.75, easy, nice TP.
Yeah, I'm Chad, here's the thing. There's that level we talked about. I will get another entry there. Let me just quickly. It's very easy now to be greedy, like, coulda, woulda, shoulda, and then last week it's like, why didn't I close? Chad, yeah, sorry, I just want to give you guys a quick glimpse here.
Of what the studio is looking like.
And it's, Chad, this is, we haven't put like, and then the canvas and the wall art. Chad, I'm just gonna give you a quick glimpse here. Just quick. I don't want to show you guys too much. Let me just see what you guys can see there. Just gonna give you that
Chad.
so far.
Chad. The new studio is looking insane.
So yeah, we haven't set anything up yet, like permanently. But yeah, the studio is blacked out. We've got a lot of canvases. The studio is gonna take like maybe I would say another week.
I think another week it should be almost like very, very close to complete.
Because we've taken a lot of canvases that we got for the studio. It's being framed. There's still some lights. There's still some decorations. But yeah, these were the main pieces. Remember. The idea was to have sidemen. Sidemen was the inspiration side cast. I'm crying a little bit inside when I see gold now, but remember this was the inspo that we wanted to go for, what sidemen have, and we wanted to implement that with 2Gs. So I think we did well. I think they did like a solid print here, but you see how it reflects, geeks, and that's why we didn't want to. You'll see, ours doesn't really. Anyways, Chad, I'm crying a little bit inside now looking at gold. Oh, how much is this now?
It's looking mad, guys. It's looking insane.
But yeah, Chad. That is the main piece that we waited for so long. Now we can start building around that, and but hey, Chad, it is W's all around here. This week has been just absolutely mad. You guys got the buy stops yesterday. I don't know who took the bar stops, but a lot of you sent me that message, the bar stops that was shared on stream here yesterday. That, if you took it there was 100 pips for you there. If you took this, I only literally took, 25 pips. It's now up 58. But again, as mentioned, coulda, woulda, shoulda, not in my vocabulary. I was referring to this previous daily high level. We can get if we don't get a retest, there's a lot of levels that we can start trading from. DXY. Alright, now it's just gold ripping the tip. Alright, sorry, where did I miss something in the chat? 2 mics and trading. 2 mics trading. Chris, I know you're staying away from the JPYP, but what's your calendar? No outlook for me there, brother. My outlook is irrelevant when there's exterior factors at play there. So that's why I stopped trading it. But Chad, gold. Sheesh. Yeah. I'm going to be honest with you. This is almost like Keegan's trade. When was I away on Monday?
Yeah.
That this is literally... Keegan entered almost same place as we did. Keegan closed the trade and then poof. Okay, we at least took a little something here. We took it there. But anyways, don't cry. Don't cry. It is simple. I'm still holding the trade since we entered. Hey brother, yeah, don't be greedy. Like lock it in at least here somewhere. We can get a pull. If we don't get a pullback, either way. Well done, manne. God is goed. Yes, my brother. God is baie goed vir ons en almal hier. En mag hy aanhou goed wees. En mag ons aanhou die eer vir hom gee. Because here's the thing, Chad. If you continuously glorify God, there's actually a verse in the Bible where it says... show them that I'm your servant. Show them by, like people should see it. And it should be a case of something is just different. Something is different with these guys. Julle moet sien Raja Banks is hard exposed. Stuur vir my link, Rishay, asseblief, want daai ou het die Here nodig. Nas absolutely dying. You think it can still be checks? I don't think. In trading you shouldn't be thinking. You should just be following. Too much thinking. Can it still be bullish? 100%. 100%. Daily S2. Previous daily low. There's that daily zone we spoke about. Yeah. No, Keeks, I honestly feel like we don't have to be ashamed of that studio.
No way.
That's
bro.
not a... That you can't even... No, Chad.
Bro, as I said, that's literally, I think that studio, this office, it's literally just a representation of hard work and dreams becoming reality, bro. It is awesome seeing it all come together.
Yeah, Chad, and obviously big shout out to Vault Markets, Vault Funder, and then obviously the biggest shout out to all of you guys supporting the channel. Yeah, I don't think when we started 12 months ago with that little webcam and the ring light from General Store, which didn't even, Chad, the ring light and the HIK Vision webcam, which actually, if you go and watch our first podcast, Chad, if you go and watch our first podcast, the majority of that podcast was shot with that little webcam. And I don't know, Minty Nasty, I don't know, I haven't seen him. I hope Minty is doing well. Thinking about it, Keek, sorry, you didn't see, but Pro Song was back this morning, bro.
Was he back, bro?
The man is back. I cannot believe
Did he ask
it.
for a recovery signal?
No, he just said he just wanted to let us know he's back after a long while. Episode 1. Sure. We can go back and you can go and say, what did we do? Chad, I just want to show you.
Bro,
that was
the journey. Oh my word.
There's JV. Yeah, you can actually see how thin JV was and how much weight JV picked up.
The man's hella thick.
The man is thick now, bro. 720p. I actually look like I've lost some weight since then. Look how thick I am. I'm like, I melted into that chair. I just fully melt. But yeah, bro, how do we even... This is like an 8-bit podcast. You can't even I can't even see if this is Jeff, but... Chad, you're incredible. Incredible.
Oh my word.
Speaking of new studio, you guys have moved offices from Cape Road. Looks like a dead zone there. Yes, we've moved, my brother. We've moved almost 3 weeks ago.
We took the vibe somewhere else.
Bro, we haven't heard the horn in a long time. Let's give that horn for the TPs that were clapped here. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, we can't do that because we didn't. That's the trade we took. Can't now say we took all of that when we only took this. Chad, let me get a snippet here. Wait before hold on to those W's. Okay. Alright. Gold trades, gold longs. We've been calling gold longs since Sunday. If you're not part of Project G, check the link in my bio. But anyways, today everyone on stream, over 200 traders eating here live with us. www.winning. That's what we're doing here. Expected price target was up here. But yeah, I took it down there. But if you held on, obviously, longs was the play here. It was never going to go short. But anyways, Chad, beautiful. Thank you so much, guys. Be sure to check out the 24-hour stream. Link will be shared a little bit later today. We'll be doing this for 24 hours, believe it or not. Shot, Chad. Are we going to get a pullback ski? A pullbackson? That's the difficult part here, is waiting. Where's Andre? Is Andre here today? Where's Andre? I hope Andre didn't miss this. Whatever happened to Travel Wild Show? I think we nuked him, Clinton. We nuked him. He came back with another name. Bro, I just closed gold. Finding Carl. Well done, man. To be honestly, you're flipping people's accounts. Best channel ever. Awesome, my brother. 60 USD profit. Recovered my big loss today. Nice, man. Beautiful, Chad. I don't know. It has been amazing. The 2G's feeding us. W. Chris, that voice needs some honey, my friend. There's Andre.
Hey.
Chad, Andre coming to visit us very soon. He said he's got a surprise for us. I don't know if it's bikinis, mankinis, but the man said it's zucchinis. I don't know. He said he's bringing something lit. 10-20 pip gang had a feast. Looking forward to the 24-hour stream. Big up. I'll do manual labor for you anytime if you give TPs like, hey, so Carl Carl ate. Like,
Yeah, bro. He ate the full
was it
thing,
was
bro.
it Carl that greeted me? Yeah.
Yeah, that was Carl.
Okay.
Nah, he ate till 24.75.
Hey, Karlski. But I think you need to come and drill some. Is Carl gonna help with the?
Yeah, he's coming tonight with me.
Is he gonna drill the holes? Okay.
So I don't know. Are you coming with us tonight? Or are you gonna get chalked?
Tonight. I think tonight is tough.
All right, then we will be here tonight too.
But please use the vacuum. I actually just want to be here to use the vacuum.
We already have the vacuum in the studio. I promise you, Kate brought the vacuum to us, and she was like, "Guys, why you drill vacuum? Because Chris and his carpets."
Hey, Chad, it's not our best carpets. It's our only carpets. Will you guys be dude? We're not sleeping, Günther. We are streaming for 24 hours, my brother. What do you? No. Listen, yeah. We need our eyes. We're gonna take a. You know what? That's also what we need to do. We need to do a before shot, almost like that Naked and Afraid. When they do that survival, they take like a before picture, and then afterwards the guy looks chalked. So we must do like the morning. We
Before
take a headshot.
Start off 24 hours. And then
Start and then like, because I know Keegan is like me, our eyes get bloodshot. The fire, there's like coals. Start photo.
Yeah.
Are you also like that? Your eyes get like bloodshot, and it's like.
Then we chalked at the end, bro. Been through World War II there.
Oh, hey, Chad. Like I said, I'm looking forward to that graveyard shift, from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock, because that's when those fumes. You question a lot of things in life at that stage, and that's when things are gonna get fun. That's phase 2 done. Well done, Chris. No, well done to you, Rian. Not well done to me. Well done to each and every one of you showing up every single day.
Rian, you're not a Project G member. No, he is.
He is. No, Rian.
Hey, Rian.
Yeah, Rian.
Another Project G fam.
Rian asked that good question. I think it was on the boot camp. We were talking about take profits, then break evens.
Rian, you know the drill, bro. That means you're officially part of the Wall of Fame. So again, send to the certificate, bro. You'll be going up.
Lottering, that's what I want to chat to Keegs about. As much as we pride ourselves in good work ethic tonight.
I think tonight, Chris and myself are literally like early to bed.
Yeah, I hope you guys are fine with that. I hope Project G members, just this one night, we'll make it up.
Yeah, as I say, it's just you guys know we're going to be chalked. As I say, for you guys can literally heard it there. I'm even going to be till tonight finishing things up in the studio. So yeah, I think tonight we just want a bit of an early one to get some rest.
Could we get a repeat from yesterday for it this morning? Hi. No.
I wouldn't say not now, not this time of the day.
The reason I say that is because remember, this all-time high level. Let me just go.
Bro, to be fair, that the all-time high right now, well not all-time high, but where
it's
you are now is the weekly high, but it's also literally on the monthly R3.
Yeah.
So, like if you
break through there, it's gone.
Yeah, it is gone. So you technically, if it does break, you could see another one because it's going to run from that R3 again.
The only reason I say that, Ethan, is the fact that look at the time that elapsed from when we created the all-time high during May, and just see how much time elapsed. So there's a lot of volume that had the chance to come into the market and then push up to that level. So now the time between the all-time high from yesterday and now is very, very short. So this is what makes the difference between the all-time high getting clapped here. All right. Also, be very considerate of what happened previously. Check there. I'm not saying that's going to happen this week, but look at what happened there. Everyone got very excited and then oops, bearish, and then it took us almost another 3, 6, 9 weeks to get there again. All right. But I didn't expect this to occur here, purely due to the fact that we've had this consolidation range, and this was potentially enough to now say, listen, we are taking this much higher. Alrighty, Chad, I'm gonna still wait here a little bit, see if we can get a pullback. Keegs, you know what I'm thinking now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna mute this. Okay, so Chad, yeah, nothing that we will hold back from you. We don't want to just give away too much now, but yeah, we've got our idea. Andre will come back for NY session. Sparks will fly. What time is the 24-hour stream starting? Same time as always due from us, 8:30 tomorrow morning. We're starting and we are pushing through till Friday morning. Come on, do share what you guys are talking about. Quentin, you'll see in due time, but it's only good for you guys. Chris, I closed gold with you, feeling a little nauseous. Andre, don't feel nauseous. Previous week, here's the thing. Last week, remember we had two trades that ran. The one ran 30 pips, the other one ran 28 pips. Both hit break even. So last week we were like, I feel nauseous. That thing was 5 pips away and I didn't close it. Now this week it's like, I'm nauseous because I've made so much money this week already. We haven't lost the trade. So no. Remember, the market is going to breathe. It's going to push. It's going to pull back. Very likely you could even see us trade here during NYSE. Same with the trade yesterday. We shared the buys we took. If you were nauseous yesterday when we took this trade and you were greedy, that trade there, if you took that trade yesterday and you were greedy, look what it did later in the day. It would have actually come to hit your stops. So don't see it that way. I was always ready for it to do this. This was the expectation. If you go to the start of the stream, I said, Chad, I'm looking for a nice push and I'm looking for this as a target. This was the target. I said it's not unreasonable because it's almost in the middle of the Asia range. Asia lows are taken, but then I also thought in the back of my head last week, leaving all that money on the table, I could have been 3-4% up. So no, think and also the other thing is, Andre, don't feel like you're never going to be able to get a winning trade again. We've had now almost 5-6 consecutive winning trades. So don't think because you missed this now it's the end of the world. We haven't even rebroken the current weekly highs. We have not even closed out of this weekly range yet. This weekly candle is still open. Go look back at the previous weeks when we broke out. Let me do this quickly. So now it looks like, oh, we missed it. No, look here. Look at that move there. Look at this move. Let me just show you this. 2020. Look at that breakout there. Let me just show you there. Look at that range breakout 2020. All right. Let's go back when gold really had a run. Yeah, I still told you guys 20. When was it? 2019. Yeah. Once we broke out of that level, look how long gold ran. So don't get FOMO now. We at all-time highs. Things are gonna get juicy. Things are gonna get interesting. Because here's my thing, Andre. Let's say you were still even in the trade, and I promise you, you're gonna feel the same thing. Yes, this is the sad part of being a human being. You would have. Let's say we kept it. We said, Chad, we're happy to hit stops at break even. And that was our target. Nice. I think it was a 1 to 2.3 R. Now we hit that trade there. I promise you. Now this thing runs another $5. You're going to be like, oh, I'm so sick. Look at this. Why did I close there? You can't do that. If it was your plan to do something, stick with it. Don't do that with a coulda. It will kill you mentally. Chad, yeah, I'm not gonna take anything else here. This thing is, we took our piece. The high probability trade was here from Asia lows. Exclamation Discord if you guys haven't checked it out, but all of these setups, it's you don't have to pay us anything. If you also want to trade like this, it is under the education section. There's it. All of these setups are shared with you completely for free. Also, the entire trading plan is shared with you as well. Everything in there. If you want to take your trading to the next level, you want to get in direct contact with us, exclamation G. That is our project. It's not even a mentorship, it's a membership, but that is where you get direct access to us 2 times a week and once a month for 5 hours, where we sit down with you, we go through the strategy, we go through questions you've got. There's the website. You guys can check it out for the guys that have not done so yet. 750 Rand a month. And yeah, you can become a member. We've got some very, very cool testimonials. And even in the first week or two, already I think 6-7 guys going up on the wall of fame, getting funded. So yeah, the proof is in the pudding. And you can ask anyone in the chat. We're here every single day, Monday to Friday. Nothing to hide. We cannot hide. I cannot even hide the trades I'm taking anymore. Believe it or not, the trades I'm taking is even shared on trade alerts. Literally, there's a bot connected to my account. So every single move I make, sometimes even if I sneezed, it will let the guys know Chris just sneezed, but he's alright. So I can't even take trades without the group knowing. So more transparent than that. I don't know what you guys want. But Keeks, any close? I think you also relatively, I think, psyched out here this morning. Obviously, you had to.
Yeah, bro. Honestly, I think pretty much gold would have been a very similar move for me. What I would have looked at there. I think we might have maybe got in at slightly different areas, but we still would have been in the same move. But other than that, I mean, everything else is basically off the charts for me for now. Probably New York session we'll get the moves there, so we'll definitely keep our eyes on that. But yeah, for the rest of the session, I mean, there's nothing really to sit here and wait for. I think you caught a move, you caught a beautiful move. There's no need to try and force anything else now.
There you go, Chad. I think it's going to be a good session, NYSE. For me to wait around here, I could get myself into trouble. It's a clean move up. I'm going to wait for a little bit later. We took our piece.
Yeah, Stian, just to give you a answer in a way to that is, this is a official stat. Obviously, only 4% of people, when they purchase an account, actually get to funded, all right? And then from once they funded to the live stage, only 1% make it to payouts. That's an official stat for you.
Stian, I have to say though, and we're going to start releasing those stats from next week. Vault Funder, I don't know why, has the highest pass rate in the prop firm industry.
Yeah, because they got us, bro.
It could be that because here's the thing, our pass rate is almost 20%. So if you consider FTMO, if you consider some of the other firms, some of them are like 7%. Some of them, like on the high end, is 12%. Ours is almost at 20%. So technically, every 10 people that purchase an account, two are going to get funded. So that is almost double the industry standard, almost triple. So probably because you can trade news, and I think we are somewhat lenient. More lenient than even FTMO and all of these other firms. So I even thought about it now. You get funded with FTMO 2 minutes before news, 2 minutes after news. Even if here's the thing, Chad, even if you open up a trade on the Monday and Thursday you set your stop loss maybe in profit or whatever, and that trade gets closed during a news event, FTMO breaches your account.
Yeah.
Even though you entered the trade Monday.
4 days ago, yeah.
If that trade gets closed during news, you are nuked. So they've created all these little blocks and barriers that you need to move through. And maybe it's that. But anyways, Vault Funder all the way. Absolutely, Chad. Check it out. !prop. Discount code mid 2Gs.
Isn't the mid 40s?
Mid 40s. But if you want to go bigger than a $550 or $25,000, twags, Chad, 35% everything off. Ladies and gentlemen, Tom Hogarth is now trading live in YouTube. It is great. YouTube trader Tom. I love Tom Hogarth, Chad. Just get ready to go through some losses. The man has been going through it, but I love Tom Hogarth. Yeah, I took my swing when it broke through the previous day high, so I am holding. Okay, nice, beautiful.
But with FTMO, you can trade news. No, you can't.
You cannot.
You can only trade if it is on a swing account, and then your leverage is literally peanuts.
Jen, we're talking about once you get funded, eh? We're not talking about phase 1 and phase 2.
Yeah,
phase 1 and phase 2, you can trade news. I'm talking about once you get funded.
You can't. Again, unless it's a swing account, but again, then your leverage is literally peanuts. It's like trading a micro account.
Rian, 2 live accounts. Jeez, Rian.
Also, to answer in Dorbo, I think it was there, bro, the horn is still here. Billy the goat is still here. I actually think I'll bring it back for my TPs. Billy normally just features for my TPs. So honestly, I have been a bit quiet with Billy, but he is still here, as you can see. He will be making more of an appearance.
What do you guys do and chat about on your Discord channel? Quentin, it's purely strippers. We looking to open up a strip club, but when you go in the strip club, there's actually just a lot of evangelists, and we catch you. So you come into a booth and they like hit you with the word, and there's not actually any strippers. It will look like a strip club outside, and then you come out saved. They hit you with the gospel.
That's
all
it.
Right. Bro, listen, yeah. But imagine that. You and the boys, you're like, hey bro, there's this new strip club that opened up. And now the thing is, if you go in there and there is like a lot of pastors, you can't come out and be like, hey guys, that place is a scam. You go in there and they hit you with Bible. Because it's like, why were you
Yeah.
Chad? And then the guys pay the money to go in, and then that money goes to missionary.
Yeah. That's one hell of a pyramid scheme there,
Dude,
bro.
that is actually a video idea. Is to maybe chat to a strip club. And hey, but anyways, yeah, I think Chad, anyways. The 2G's office looks amazing. You guys did a very good job. Thanks, Carl. Chad, peace and love, baby. We will see you guys a little bit later as we prep for the 24-hour stream. Maybe send an email or Chris could help you. Wait, what did I miss here?
He's doing like apparently commissions are so high on the challenge accounts.
Challenge. What did you trade, Czar Trader? And then also considering bank 3K, but that is, what is 3K? That is almost 5%. What was your lot size, Czar Trader? The commissions are industry standard. There's nothing.
Yeah.
There's nothing weird with the commission. So unless you banked a massive lot size, please don't go strip club. Jesus is what. Hey, dumb money trades, brother. Anyways, I love you. Jesus loves you as well. 12 lots. Okay, my brother. 12 lots on a 60K. Okay, my brother. So you banged out the 12 lot on a 60K account. I banged out the 3.5 lot on a $100,000 account. So, all right. So, anyways, we'll makes sense now. Chad, peace and love, baby. We will see you guys a little bit later.
holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Don't let me repeat it. Fast forward a year or two, friends have changed, but so can you, so can you. For too long about the mistakes, while I resent, I learned to hate. Forgot your names. Fear the struggle to follow on. Need to focus to prove you're wrong. I'm not wrong. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Don't let me repeat it.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season, not for